Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey filled with flavor and convenience? Look no further than the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer, a revolutionary appliance designed to transform the way you cook. With its innovative features and versatile functionality, this air fryer is sure to become your new kitchen essential. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Unlock ClearCook technology. See your food cook without opening the basket. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer introduces a game-changing feature, the ClearCook Window. With its see-through design and strategically placed internal light, you can now monitor the cooking progress without interrupting the cooking process. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Experience even crisp technology. Crispy, tender results with 95% less oil. Say goodbye to soggy textures and hello to crispy perfection with even crisp technology. This advanced airflow system ensures a golden finish and tender interior with just a fraction of the oil traditionally used. Whether you're air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, or dehydrating, prepare to be amazed by the consistently delicious results. Customizable cooking programs, tailored to your taste buds. Take the guesswork out of meal preparation with the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer's one-touch smart programs. From wings to roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes to cinnamon buns, indulge in a variety of culinary delights with ease. Customize the programs to suit your preferences and create gourmet meals at the touch of a button. Efficient cooking, fast preheating, and quiet operation. With little to no preheating time, you can go from frozen to golden in minutes. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer features a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to create gourmet meals with precision and speed. Plus, enjoy quiet cooking with muffled sounds for less noise in your kitchen. Hassle-free cleanup, non-stick and dishwasher-safe components. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations with the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer. The non-stick air fry basket and tray are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing pots and pans and hello to effortless maintenance. Conclusion: elevate your cooking game with the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer. Ready to revolutionize your cooking experience? Click the link below to discover the full specifications of the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook Air Fryer. With its innovative features, customizable programs, and even crisp technology, this kitchen essential is sure to become your go-to appliance for quick, delicious meals. Say goodbye to ordinary cooking and hello to extraordinary flavors. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.